back. Hello, hey, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to I AM KOKETSO and I AM KOKETSO. So it's currently, this is what time it is. I hope you can see clearly. I hope the picture is not inverted, but yes, it's currently 1:35 and I'm currently studying. I have a lecture in a few hours and I hope I'm not making noise. My roommate is sleeping and I was not planning on doing a vlog, and yeah, I just decided to vlog now because why not? I actually found inspiration from watching one of, if not my favorite, she's actually my favorite YouTuber when it comes to vlogs, especially because it's like inspiring and it's medicine and stuff, it's aesthetic and all that. But yeah, this is her. Hold on, look, boom. Yeah, this is what I'm watching currently. I am watching Limpo, and yeah, I just decided that I need to vlog, I guess, from watching her vlog. But yeah, otherwise don't forget to like, comment, and oh wait, on that note, I had something quite, I don't know if I'm maybe emotionally sensitive or what, but a few hours ago I read a comment on the video that I posted about how to get a 90% for life sciences, and the comment that I got really broke my heart, and it tampered with my concentration. From then, my studying, like, I can't concentrate that much anymore. Yes, and what that person was saying on the comment was, if I can remember it verbatim, the person was saying, yeah, you posting a video about how to get 90s for LO, that's okay, but it's boring. We want to see, oh, she said, he or she said, but that's boring because that's just your opinion. We want to see the actual things that happen. We want to see a vlog. And in my head, I'm like, not even only in my head, because I haven't posted it down there. I mean, it was very painful reading that. I'm trying to hide the emotion right now as I speak, but yeah. I thought, you know how many human beings ask me to make that video because for them it's beneficial. Because it's not beneficial for you does not mean that it's not helping others. But yeah, when I read that comment, it really touched me. And yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. So let me continue studying. Oh, and also I'm so excited to show you. I'm sure you can see my lights. My room is blue. So my roommate had not ring lights, LED lights, and I just decided to install my LED lights as well. For those who are following me when I was still at UCT, they'll know that I had LED lights back then, so I just had them hidden or whatever, and I decided to unleash them like 2 days back. So let me show you. Look, so these are the lights. Look at how beautiful they are, and I have them plugged on my power bank. But yeah, these are the lights. Go up all the way like that. This is how they look. Nice. This is my study space right now. I'm actually currently studying, yeah, the foot, the anatomy of the foot, and then your. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace. Bye.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. You're doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day.
Yeah.
All this just tells you in a different direction, the movement. So it is when your base, the base of your proximal pelvis and the head of your first metatarsal is not in alignment. So it is not straight. It's actually at an angle. And This chemical they be due to incorrect footwear, long standing hours, and how would you correct this? Meaning correctly landing and
Ladies and gentlemen, learners of all ages, welcome to the best thing you've heard today. Brilliant. Although I only now just learned how to use a laptop, I recently got an award for being the most talented in my residence, and one of my talents has to do with computers. That's why I'm this excited to share with you a game-changing resource that helped me elevate my coding and computer skills. If you're looking to learn from experts in math, science, and computer science, look no further because Brilliant brings the best educators to you. With interactive lessons designed by experts, personalized feedback and guidance, community support from like-minded learners who are also looking to gain knowledge just as you are. Available across many platforms, including mobile, Brilliant's unique approach ensures that you learn effectively and efficiently. Plus, it is just never outdated because with new content added regularly, you'll stay up to date. And as a visual learner, Brilliant's visual aids help me by breaking down complex maths and physics and science topics into step-by-step problems, animated solutions, making it easier to understand and visualize them. These geometric shapes and patterns, color-coded illustrations, and dynamic diagrams help me better understand and internalize complex concepts seamlessly. So, if you also want to be a self-developed IT specialist just like myself, then join our community of experienced professionals by clicking on the link in the description box down below, and you will get free 30 days of a premium trial and 20% off an annual premium subscription. All that by using my discount code brilliant.org/koketso/, and I'll see you there. Yeah, so I just came back from class, and I've never done this type of recording where I'm like looking at the ring light and the stand is there and I can see myself here. But yeah, I'm thinking of going to the library, but should I sleep or should I go to? I don't know, because I'm tired and I know that I study better at night, so I'm thinking of sleeping now because I have a tutorial session in the next 11, 12, 1. In the next 3 hours I have a tutorial session, so I don't know if I should sleep for this 3 hours or if I should study for the tutorial session. But something is telling me to just study. But yeah, otherwise, I don't think that's... Is there anything else? No. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Piriformis gaminis. Okay, so the piriformis, that is on the posterior side. We have the gamulus superior, obturator internus, gamulus inferior, the quadratus femoris, and the obturator externus. Okay, makes sense.
Smaller between them is
the gamulus superior is innervated by the nerve to the obturator internus. Let's think about it. So there's the gamulus superior, obturator internus, which are both innervated by the nerve to obturator internus. Then we have the gamula inferior, which is innervated by the nerve to the quadratus femoris, and the inferior and the obturator externus and the quadratus femoris. Okay, the obturator externus is the obturator nerve failure. And 2 hours later, and I'm still studying.
So the lateral side, anterior side, and medial side, and they go distally and insert into the suprapatellar bursa.
This
and
left
the
no
idea
balance.
is that these muscles, they are pulling the bursa back in order to prevent an inversion of the bursa. So let's see here. So if you think about, we have.
But yeah.
Let me just show you this here. So we've got the
tutorial session thing that I spoke about, so I'm going there. I'm actually late, but not that late. But yeah, now I need to run or walk first or whatever. I look so good at this sun-kissed thing, or at least I think so. But yeah, yes, this guy's always late. But yeah, I don't even know if I have anything to say. I just want to walk with you or whatever. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that if God brought you to it, He will carry you through it. A dream delayed is not a dream denied. Peace. So yeah, I just came out of the dissection hall, and look at how I look. I look so homeless. If you love me, you will pay for me a haircut. But yeah, I legitimately look very homeless. And I'm about to go back to res. How do you take your clothes off while speaking? But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to do. So I'm gonna go home, and then I'm gonna take a nap. And then there's football practice later today. And then after football practice is the end of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna study until I sleep. And then, yeah. Hi, Baba San. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Nice.
Hello, yellow. So I just came back from football practice now. Yeah, and I'm tired, but I'm gonna study now, and then it'll be the end of this vlog. So yeah, that was a day in my life, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, from now on I won't be speaking. The next scene you'll be seeing is me studying, and then that'll be the end of the vlog. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and again, share the video with your grandmother's toes. And peace.